Hello students! Welcome to class and welcome to my life. Right now here in Montreal, Quebec, Canada, there is no electricity and there hasn't been any for a while. And it's kind of a mystery to us because even though there was supposed to be this big storm, there actually wasn't one. But anyway, if you follow this channel on a regular basis, you will know that I have been eating almost 100% raw food for several weeks now, actually almost 2 months. So this is a very special treat for us. We're going to this restaurant called Burger Fiancé, and we are going to be eating vegan junk food. I can't wait. The atmosphere is friendly and relaxed, and the beautiful people here seem to speak all different kinds of languages, which personally I love. Now they told me that the menu was going to be updated and even more wonderful vegan options were going to be added. But let's have a look at what we see right now. Appetizers and sides. Waffle fries, kimchi fries, onion rings, house cauliflower bites, coleslaw, and side Caesar. So remember, this is a vegan restaurant. So even though you might see Caesar salad, there's no egg in there, no dairy products. It's all vegan. I've had the kimchi waffle fries before, and they were frankly delicious. Sort of salty, a little bit sweet kind of. I don't know how to describe it. It was a big bowl. It was really satisfying. It felt like real comfort food in my tummy. In the burger section, we have a cheeseburger, written with the letter Z there to make sure you don't think that it is from a dairy cow, because it is not. You got the house burger, the Impossible Patty, which was just unbelievable. I mean, it tasted so much like the meat, I remember. I couldn't get over it, really. Cheddar cheese, pickles, onions, tomatoes, lettuce, and fiancé sauce. They got the Fiancé burger, which comes with a house patty or Impossible Patty, veggie bacon, which is so cool. I mean, the stuff that they've come up with is just amazing. Onion rings, cheddar cheese, sauteed mushrooms, red peppers, pickles, tomatoes, lettuce, fiancé sauce. All the regular stuff you would ever want on a burger. They also have another burger called the Soulmate, and they have the Burger of the Month. So no shortage of things to choose from on this list. If you want something that tastes like chicken, they got you covered. Fried chicken sandwich, Cajun shiitake, those are mushrooms that are sort of the same texture and taste of chicken, so good. House ranch, they got lettuce, tomato, red onion, and maple syrup on there to give it a little touch of sweetness. And they've also got some kind of nuggets, so yeah, Cruelty-free is always good with me. So the other cruelty-free options are things like their specialties, where they have the pulled pork, and they have the mac and cheese. Again, this has nothing to do with pork, nothing to do with hurting any pigs. They just use the same language so that people can relate to the food. People who are not vegan who may come in here. This is made from these mushrooms that are called shiitake mushrooms, and it is just amazing how they emulate the taste and the texture of meat. They also have a variety of drinks, all kinds of things from smoothies. They've got cold beverages, cocktails, you know, the usual. When I was taking pictures of the menu, I was reminded about a burger of the month called the poulet buffalo. For those of you who don't know, poulet is French for chicken. And also they have a pita gyros. Now I remember eating gyros before I was vegetarian, and I just remember that the meat was so good on there. That sort of Greek sauce, really garlicky and so full of flavor and juicy. So when I saw that on the menu, I thought, I'm gonna have to try that. When I first came in, I was kind of disappointed to notice that on the TV there was horseback riding, like racing. But I noticed that the owner quickly changed it because I think he just thought he wanted to have a sports channel on, but not anything to do with that. So he said to me, yeah, like when it comes to having horses there or having, you know, sports network where they talk about fishing or hunting, he says, I never put that on. So he quickly switched it over to tennis. My husband and I decided to share a couple of things. So when the gyro came, I was thinking to myself, I really don't know if I can share this with you because the first bite was just so delicious. I mean, just look at the sauce. It was so gooey. It was peppery and garlicky, and the shiitake mushrooms in there were just so amazing. The texture, the flavor, everything. I just felt like I didn't even want to talk. I just wanted to enjoy every single minute of eating this thing. We also got this delicious burger, which has cheese on it, but remember, it's vegan cheese. Everything on here is vegan. So good. It was juicy, it was spicy enough, it was just so good. I think I could have eaten these two things completely by myself, but of course I'm nice, so I shared them with my hubby. We also got the cauliflower bites. Here he is dipping into the delicious sauce, and we also enjoyed those. I mean, I would say that we probably ate all of the food in about 6 minutes. It was just so delicious. We just wolfed it down. For dessert, we were gonna share one of these, but it was so good that we ended up getting 2 of them. This was a warm brownie. It was so gooey, like fresh out of the oven, and the contrast with the cold ice cream on there, remember dairy-free ice cream, was just to die for. It was just so good. I can't even tell you. It always amazes me when people talk about how skinny I am and they don't realize how hard it is for me to stay thin. Because if I could just have enough money and just buy whatever I wanted in here, and it didn't make me fat and unhealthy to eat so much vegan junk food, I would eat like 2 gyros, 2 burgers, and 2 brownies. Like, no problem. I would just stuff them down. I have a massive ability to eat. People don't realize. So yeah, we pretty much finished off every last crumb. Would I suggest that you go to this place? Definitely. If you want to see more of these kinds of restaurant reviews, let me know in the comments below. Like, subscribe, and press the notification bell. See y'all next time. Bye for now. Let's follow that vegan teacher on YouTube right now. Let's help